Well, where are we at? Back at Adam's house. As you guys seen on the last video, we took out Daniel's stock box. We recently just went and picked up 1,000 horsepower ZF for his ute. So we're about to whack that in. Later in the video, we're going to be going to an expo held by GROWL Racing, and we're not going to talk more about it. Cue the intro.
Yo, Pierre, you want to come around?
Right shit, keep that in the track, yeah. Right shit, meet me in the back, yeah. Rich, yeah, head on with it.
Got my tires, bold. Right here, 1,000 horsepower box, standard one. Obviously got Adam, Daniel. We're just changing his wheels, putting some slicks on, because I've got his wheels on at the moment. Getting Mitch's wheels off so we can retread them. That's my other wheel. And I'm gonna show you Adam's new wheels. So these wheels is just the way we like them. OEM Plus, probably my favorite, if not top 3 favorite Ford wheels ever. And here they are. Brand new, not one mark on them. We've got the FPV center caps coming on them. And we're gonna slam this guy, not slam it, we're just gonna level out the back and get it looking like the front. And then we're gonna put these wheels on there. So let's get this car up, lower the coilovers, put the wheels on, and show you a reveal.
Yeah, you'll wash it off, yeah? Yeah.
Saltycaptian, gyon 15 at checkout.
You'll do that right now, right? You're not gonna waste no time.
Hello. G'day. The time has come.
Time has come.
Let's have a look see. Like, just looking at it, it just looks so cool. It just needed it. It's like Lux Packs, but way better.
It's the style of the F6 wheel,
Yeah.
so good. But then it's the silver on the black that does it.
Yeah, it's gonna look so crazy. Anyways, we're gonna put these all on and then we're just gonna show you after. No words, bro.
It's crazy. Damn, your freaking shoulders, bro. Looking good.
You said I looked shit last week.
Huh?
You said I looked shit last week.
Oh no, that wouldn't have been me.
Someone else.
Yeah, come on now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Older brother.
Stan, how dare you?
Yeah.
New wheels.
New wheels.
Bougie as.
Lower it next
Car's pretty much done here. Pretty much. We're gonna see it tomorrow, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
So excited. I'm gonna
Runs and drives.
Runs and drives. I'm gonna come find you tomorrow. And you're gonna show us your car.
Yeah.
And you have no choice.
GWK sticker on the back.
Yeah. I'm gonna do it without anybody knowing.
Big bro's finally back.
I know, yeah.
He's back.
He's finally the big bro.
The oldest battle brother's taking me over once again.
So keen, so keen. You'll see it tomorrow, guys. Alright, the next morning, guys, meeting the boys at Suds and Buds, Coomera, as you can see. We're waiting for Mitch. I think Sen is coming here also. And then we're gonna go head to the pre-meet spot in Bethania? I don't even know, bro. So United Petrol Station is not far from here. It's open to everyone. All the meets are pretty much every single time. We don't care who comes, just don't be a dickhead. Yeah, this is the meet before the GROWL Racing Expo, so hopefully we see some sick cars at the pre-meet and we'll cruise there together. Yeah.
I must see Buddha.
She only called me for 6, only responded with texts. I just be cashing my checks. I'm rich and I don't gotta up on some and I'm pulling a stick. You niggas is telling, you making me sick. They try to end me, you know that I'm lit. Get to that money, you know I'm legit. Money's uptown, I'm made in the clips. Pussy ass nigga don't want it with me. Pull out the stick from my bun to the sea. Bought me a car and I painted it red. Blowing the furnace, she get in the head. Fuck around, you made me mad. All of my slimes on the tag. 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 Fuck around, you made me mad. I'm pulling that stick out the bag. All of my slimes on the tag. All of my slimes on the tag. Fuck around, you made me mad. I'm pulling that stick out the bag. Pulling that stick out the bag. Pulling that stick out the bag. Pulling that stick, I'm pulling that stick, I'm pulling that stick out the bag. Pulling that stick out the bag. Pulling that stick out the bag. Pulling that stick, I'll be pulling that stick, I'm pulling that stick out the bag.
All that money be attracted to me, damn, all your music sound like Cabot to me, and I miss.
Oh, hey man, your car's making noises.
Oh, what?
It was making noise back in the tunnel there.
What noise was it?
Like, I don't know, it smelled like really sweet too.
Oh, cool.
If you do it again, I'll kill you.
Oh.
Oh, y'all be too weird. Eyes low, but my vision clear. Never thought that I would make it here. And if you want it, we can take it there. Bone crusher, I was never scared.
All of my slimes on the tag. All of my slimes on the tag. All of my slimes on the tag. Fuck around, you made me mad. Pulling this stick out the bag. All of my slimes on the tag. All of my slimes on the tag. Fuck around, you made me mad. I'm pulling this stick out the bag. Pulling this stick out the bag. Pulling this stick out the bag. Pulling that stick, I'm pulling that stick, I'm pulling that stick out the bag. Pulling that stick out the bag. Pulling that stick out the bag. Pulling that stick, I'll be pulling that stick, I'm pulling that stick out the bag.
Hey man.
So how you going, man? You want to cause trouble with me on the road, bro?
No, I don't really want anything to do with it, to be honest.
Okay, that's fair enough.
Yeah.
I guess I'll leave you to it.
Yeah, I'll do that. Have a nice day. Go bad today.
Oh, it's pretty high. I think it'd be fucked.
It's only 2 floors.
It's only 2 floors.
Ankle snapping.
Oh, it's this way. It's this way. That's so awkward.
Fun, eh? Where is it? Like right there.
Does anyone know where to go? Look, there's like 20 of us and no one knows where to go. Hell yeah. We just cruised with the guys from Southside to Brisbane. I don't know where we are, don't even ask me. But we're going to the GROWL Expo. And I'm just gonna show you everything in there. I've got no plans, but we're just gonna freestyle it. And yeah, that's how it goes really. Yeah. Get in my video, Jacob. Get in my video.
Hey, how we doing, ladies and gentlemen?
Cause I'm sweating. Why am I so shiny? I'm as shiny as the cars, bro. Well, that's crazy. We're at the Expo inside and now I'm gonna film some stuff. I'm gonna see who's around. There's like a lot of people around, like Oz Automotive right there. I think Charles is here somewhere. Oh, I see him right there. But I'm just gonna freestyle this man for real. The man, let's go, baby! How are you, bro? This is tough.
This is tough, checking it out. It's biggest. Oh shit, we got big front runner out here too.
Front runner out here?
Front runner number 1. No, it's actually really gnarly. The turnout's actually really insane. If you guys are here, I appreciate that you came out here. And always appreciate the GWK boys.
Let's go, baby.
Showing up for us. Yeah.
My man. Love you guys. Hell yeah! What's up, bro? What's up, bro? How are you? I'm good. I told you I was gonna come up to you and annoy you for this, you know? I haven't even seen inside here.
It's good.
Can you show us, please?
Okay.
Just show us, you don't have to talk much shit about it, I just want to see it, really.
That's crazy, bro. I'm dapping you up.
What a hype up, bro. Every weekend we're talking about it, every weekend. And like, cuz. Color match and all, bro. Surely you're happy, yeah?
I don't know what to say, I'm speechless.
Hell yeah, bro, that's crazy.
Awesome.
And then obviously, that's who built it. Precision Racing. Good build. Cars. Next gen. Let's go. What's up, Kevy? How are you, cuz? Good, cuz. How are you, cuz? Alright, told you I'm gonna find him. Next gen. Hell yeah.
Get the gyon, the man.
Hell yeah. Bro, we got his stand here and he's gonna Give us a quick rundown of what he's got.
Run into the man, Mr. Gyon. So we're here at the GROWL Racing Trade Expo, Brisbane City. We've got our shop car. This is our B Series Ford Falcon, 1,000 horsepower build. We use it for roll racing, street driving, car shows, anything you want. We've come up from Victoria and found the car scene in Queensland to be so welcoming and so inviting. Meeting people like Gyon, it's been a pleasure. And we're out here today displaying the car. Plus, we've also got a motor that we've just finished building for a guy over in California. Steady Dipped is his name on Instagram if you want to check him out. We've got his 1200 horsepower engine on display at the moment. This is going in a 1966 Mustang. We've got an array of parts on display at the moment, stuff that has gone into this motor, plus stuff to go even higher horsepower, so your 1600 horsepower builds. If you come over here, this is his incorporated Haltech gear that we're going to run in his car. So we've got a Barra to 66 terminated harness, Haltech IC7 dash and Elite 2500 ECU. If you're going to be running that sort of power, probably highly recommend to try out the Pro Street radials. Very sticky tyres, we've got them on the car as well. We're running nitrous now, and I can tell you right now the car does hook up even with nitrous. So this is where we're at. If you want to come check us out, thanks for
Oh yeah. All right. Thanks to James at Next Gen. This is right next to him, and you might have seen this already. This is actually a close friend of mine's. Devil Yellow. I think it's a VZ, I'm not sure. And you know he's repping the proper sticker lineup. GWK, Cali, Martini. Get on board, boys. It's crazy, crazy build. You can find him on Instagram. But nuts, bro, nuts.
The first annual GROWL Racing Performance Pulse Expo, brought to you by GROWL Racing, absolute legends. This is the first event of its kind in the Brisbane Exhibition building. So guys, today we're about to have a car reveal for LRW Motorsports. Oh, it's the first time he's seen as well. Shout out LRW Motorsports.
Alright guys, what's up? We're literally at the GROWL Racing. I just spoke to Next Gen, and now we're here. Another homie's business, Martini.
What's going on, guys?
It's crazy, bro. Jono, he like, I don't even know. What do you do, man?
Wrapping, ceramic coating, bit of everything.
Bit of everything.
Yeah.
Like, look at that thing. You've never seen a color like that. And literally in like, what, 11 o'clock you're revealing that?
Yeah, the F6 shit, big reveal on his new wrap. So.
Bro, if you guys want to get your cars wrapped, come here. Come to this, well, you can't come to this tent because this video is going to be up later, but look on Instagram. I'm going to put their tag right here. Right, hit them up. Get your car wrapped.
Let's do it.
Hell yeah. Cuz, look at this selection of colors. Like any color. Maybe I should get my car wrapped. What do you guys reckon? Should I get my car wrapped? Like, look at these colors, bro. Nuts. I want it. I want a color. Somebody pick a color for me. I'm a sucker for this, eh? What is this? That's tough. That's tough. Oh, is it? I've been seeing this everywhere lately. So sick. Badass. Frank's car at the MCA stall. Getting that photo. Frank! How you going, cuz?
I'm very well.
Cuz, look at this. So tough. Pulse automated right here. Crazy wraps, like some psychedelic white thing. Fucking sick. Mad, 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 mad. I've actually never seen the inside of this. Let's have a look. I love GDRs. Cuz, look at that, bro. Gritty bits, bro. That's nuts. Garrett turbo. So sick. RB26. Bro, everything's been touched on this. Crazy. Hey, what is that in there?
Barra.
Barra, eh?
Yeah,
not bad.
small, bro. Right. My God.
Oh, it's actually kind of big, eh?
Yeah.
Alright, we're literally here with Chris, GROWL Racing. Bro, check this out.
It's blown our mind, yeah.
I like can't even explain how crazy this is, especially for like the scene in Queensland, Brisbane, and Gold Coast, obviously.
Yeah.
How do you feel, honestly?
Yeah, awesome. No, fantastic. And it is a testament to the car scene. We have a really strong community here in Southeast Queensland. And obviously, like, we don't know what what worked, but the words got out there.
Yeah.
I think it's people like you guys, things like that, that's actually helped get the message out. There's a car show on, you got to get here, you don't want to miss it, and yeah, I think that's it.
That's really good. Like this is something that's like new, even to the car scene in Australia. This is like unheard of. You get like the stance meets and all that, but this is really good for like all the businesses, especially small ones and even the big ones. They're all mixed together. Crazy cars and crazy people. Honestly. But I can't wait till next year.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, I think that's it. Like, we wanted to put it out there and see if everyone was keen. And now that we've seen like there's a lot of interest for it, it's something we can hold annually and grow from there. But it's been amazing to be in the position where we are, where we can actually give back to these businesses. As you're saying, like they do so much. You've got an amazing car. I've got a car. They do so much for our cars. So to give back and say, hey guys, we want to support your businesses. We want you to keep succeeding. And that's exactly what it's about.
Oh yeah. Anyways, Chris, GROWL Racing. That's fucking sick.
Thanks, bro.
Appreciate that.
Thanks so much, brother.
Good job. Good seeing you.
I know it's just saying out there, man. Competition is for the bottom, collaboration is for the top.
Exactly.
And that's where we want to be.
That's good.
That's us. So,